Hi, we see about the abbreviations in this topic. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Organization. SAAC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. SARRC, Southwest Artisan Association for Regional Cooperation. BRICS countries: Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. 5 countries are there in this. G7, group of 7 countries. APEC, Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations. OPEC, Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. OAPEC, Organization of Arab Petroleum Exporting Countries. IMF, International Monetary Fund. CMEA, Council for Mutual Economic Assistance. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund. IEA, International Energy Agency. IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency. WTO, World Trade Organization. ECO, Economic Cooperation Organization. IQ, Intelligence Quotient. HIV, Human Immunodeficiency Virus. FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation. SWAT, Special Weapons and Tactics. SIM, Subscriber Identification Module. IBM, International Business Missions. ESPN, Entertainment and Sports Programming Network. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. LPG, Liquefied Petroleum Gas. ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. HDFC, Housing Development Finance Corporation. ICICI, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. GPRS, General Packet Radio Service. GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication. VAT, Value Added Tax. VPN, Virtual Private Network. PDF, Portable Document Format. ZIP, Zone Improvement Plan Code. CPU, Central Processing Unit. COD, Cash on Delivery. IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. OAS, Organization of American States. GDP, Gross Domestic Product. IPC, Indian Penal Code. SMS, Short Message Service. MMS, Multimedia Messages. RAM, Random Access Memory. ROM, Read-Only Memory. UPS, United Parcel Service. SPF, Sun Protection Factor. NBC, National Broadcasting Company. IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. SI Unit, International System of Units. ISI, Indian Standards Institution. BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. ISO, International Organization for Standardization. Thank you.